Please open in your learning workbook to page 186. We're going to solve some problems that you might see in ALEX. Here's the first one. The radioactive substance, uranium-240, has a half-life of 14 hours. The amount A of T of a sample of uranium-240 remaining in grams after T hours is given by the following exponential function. A of T equals 3,900 times 1/2 raised to the exponent T over 14. Find the amount of the sample remaining after 11 hours and after 40 hours, round to the nearest gram. Okay, great. So here's the first thing that I want to go over with you on this problem. First of all, we are not going to use the number 240 at any point in our solution. The 240 is just used as an identifier. It's telling you which kind of radioactive uranium we're talking about in this problem. But what we are going to use are the numbers 11 and 40. These are telling us the amount of time in hours. So they're going to go right up here for the value of T. So let's go ahead and do the first problem first. Find the amount of the sample remaining after 11 hours. So we replace all of the T's with 11, and we get A of 11 equals 3,900 times 1/2 raised to the 11/14 power. Okay, so this is the moment where I would recommend that you pick up your calculator. If you happen to have the multi-view calculator, this is going to be very, very easy for you to do because the multi-view calculator can make fractions. All right, so let's see if we can do this together. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to enter the 3,900, so 3,900. Then we're going to do parentheses, and then we're going to make our fraction 1/2. Then we will close our parentheses. Then we will hit the exponent button, where we will make another fraction, so n/d for the fraction button, and we'll put 11/14. And when we hit enter, we get our value. The instructions say to round to the nearest gram, so that's going to be the nearest whole number. So we have 2262.252303, or if you round that, that's going to be 2262, 2,262 grams. Now, if you don't have the multi-view calculator, then the way you're going to enter this in your scientific calculator would be like this. 3,900, parenthesis, 1, division key 2, close parenthesis, raised to the, parentheses, 11, division key 14, close parenthesis. All right, so now all we have to do is turn our attention to the second part of this problem, which is after 40 hours. All right, so the idea is the same. It's just that instead of putting 11 for T, this time we're going to put 40. All right, so we're going to get A of 40 equals 3,900, parentheses, 1/2 raised to the 40/14. All right, and just like before, we're going to put this in our calculator. If you have the multi-view, that'll be very easy. 3,900, parenthesis, make a fraction, 1/2, close parenthesis, exponent, make a fraction, 40/14, enter. And the value we get is 538.243637.9, and then we hit the edge of the screen. Rounding to the nearest gram gives us 538 grams. All right, and if you do not have the multi-view calculator and you are putting this into a standard scientific calculator, you're going to enter it this way. 3,900, parentheses, 1, division key 2, close parentheses, exponent key, parentheses, 40, division key 14, close parentheses, and you will get the same value, and you will round in the same way.